Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today's practical is determination of critical mineralization concentration. Soaps, detergents या surfactants इस टाइप के जो chemicals होते हैं या molecules होते हैं, ये solution में they form the tiny aggregates जिनको हम micelles बोलते हैं. तो इसके बारे में जो theory और whatever the procedure, whatever the mechanism is involved in the formation of these micelles, that we'll deal in the separate lecture. So today we'll try to calculate it in the lab, how we can calculate this. So for determination of the critical micellization concentration, we need a stock solution that is surfactant. तो हम लोग जो surfactant use करने जा रहे हैं, that is we can use sodium dodecyl sulfate also. There are many surfactants. Surfactants हम जानते हैं उनमें they have two parts. One is the polar head and a non-polar part. So for example, is in today's practical, we will try to calculate the critical micellization concentration of sodium dodecyl sulfate. You can see here this is our chemical surfactant sodium dodecyl sulfate. So we'll use 0.05. The molarity of our stock we have made is 0.05 molar. So this is our 0.05 molar. You could see here the soap-like behavior. So it's a surfactant, sodium dodecyl sulfate. So this is our stock solution. Is surfactant ka we are going to calculate the critical mineralization concentration. So for that we'll use the conductivity, the property called as conductivity. Conductivity कैसे vary हो जाती है during the formation of micelles. We'll use that conductivity property to calculate the critical mineralization concentration. कौन सी concentration पे the micelle starts forming, ठीक? So what we'll do? So we need a conductometer. This is our conductometer. So you can see here, it is adjusted at a temperature of 20 degrees because this is room temperature we have. And then, so this will give the reading. C, for example, C here is showing 0.59. So what is this C? It is basically, we have kept 30 ml of our distilled water here. It's a distilled water. So now it is calculating the conductivity of distilled water. And we know in the distilled water, the conductivity is around 0.5 to 1. इसमें we have dipped a conductivity cell. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं उसको. This is our conductivity cell. This one is conductivity cell. Already इसमें cell constant fix होता है 0.1 centimeter या 1 centimeter. And then we'll pour our solution here in the burette. This is our burette. You could see this is our burette. The burette mein we have filled. You can see here readings. So this is filled up to the mark. It's look here the reading. It's 0. So यहाँ से हम what we'll do? We'll slowly add 1 ml, 2 ml, 3 ml inside our distilled water solution, and we'll see how the conductivity will vary. For example, in this setup, our conductometer is showing the conductivity is 0.059. This is for the distilled water pure. Now, so we'll start our experiment. We'll add around 0.1 ml. So we'll add 0.1 ml. Okay, start. Now I am focusing here. Continue. थोड़ा सा कद increase पामा speed. So we have added. Okay, close. मैं थोड़ा बेरसा शी. So now you can see from here, so we are almost closer to the 1 ml. So we added 1 ml. Okay, stop. So now what we'll do, we'll check what is happening to the concentration. So we can also do some little bit stirring so that it becomes a homogeneous type solution. Now let us see the conductivity. Now, अब यहाँ देख सकते हो C is equivalent 13.40. इसमें थोड़ी सी fluctuation आ रही है because this solution will get stabilized. So it may take some time. Let us give it some time. For example, at the moment it is showing 13.28. आप देख सकते हैं अब यहाँ पे it is 13.28. Let us wait for some time so that we'll get the exact reading. So you can take it 13.28. So इसका मतलब है we have moved from So we are drawing also the table here, calculations. So when we had this 0 ml added, that means that was a pure water, distilled water. So our conductivity, specific conductivity was 0.5 microsiemens per centimeter. Now we have added 1 ml, so you can see the conductivity is increasing. So now we'll add another ml. Okay, start. So we'll go to the next reading. Oh, close. Okay, yes. So this is almost, we are closer to this. Yeah, done. So the second ml has been added. So now we'll again do the similar behavior, slight shaking so that it will become homogeneous. The surfactant will spread through. Okay. So let us see the behavior of the conductometer now. जैसे आप देख सकते हो in the conductometer, the readings around will wait some time so that it will get stabilized. It is 23.1. Earlier it was 13.28. Now it is almost stable. It is 23.1. So now you can go to our table. 23.1. So now you could see from here our reading is increasing. So why it is increasing? Because we are adding the surfactant into our this distilled water, and surfactant, it has a charged parts, cation and anionic part. So that's why when the ions go into the solution, now the conductivity is increasing because concentration of surfactant is increasing. So we'll go to the third now. So we'll continue our experiment. We'll move to the third. We'll add 1 more ml. Okay, so we have added 1 more ml, that is third ml. So now we can go back. थोड़ा सा हम इसको shake करेंगे, थोड़ा सा stirring बोल लीजिए. So that gets stabilized, and then let us go to the conductometer. So now it is fluctuating, but it has increased to 30.9. Let us give some seconds to it so that हमें जो value मिल जाए, that will be the stable one, because solution will get stabilized meanwhile. So yeah, it looks like now our reading is 30.9 microsiemens. So I'll go back to our book. So you can see from here. So now it is 30.9. It's increasing, but यहाँ लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा slight increase. Now we'll move to the next reading. So we'll add 1 more ml. So I'm going to the burette again. So we'll go from 3 to 4, close to 4, not 4, close to 4. Okay, fine. So this is 1 more ml added, and meanwhile we are also stirring this. So okay, stop stirring. So now we'll see what will happen here in the conductometer. Go to the conductometer. Now it is showing 30.7. So 37.2 microsiemens. 37.2. Let us see, it will get stabilized. ये थोड़ा fluctuation भी हो सकता है इसमें. Now it is stabilized 37.2. So we are writing here 37.2. आप देख सकते हो कि it is increasing. So the trend is increasing. So it was earlier 13. Then there was a 10 rise. Now 7. Okay, we'll add 1 more ml. Fine. Go back. Bus, fine. So we added 1 more ml here. So you can do some slight stirring. Okay, stop. आप इस beaker में देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे soap type behavior, bubbles are there because we are adding surfactant. So we'll go here. So our this conductometer is showing the reading 42.6. Let us wait few seconds so that our reading will get stabilized. So it is 42.6. Fine. So we'll go here 42.6. अब यहाँ increase हो रहा है, लेकिन अब थोड़ा सा यहाँ लग रहा है कि now there is some slight increase. ठीक? Let us take some few more readings, then we'll plot the graph. Okay. So we'll add 1 more. Okay, so we are at 1 more ml. This is our 6th ml we are adding. So okay, stop. Let it get stabilized. Let's go to the conductometer. What is showing? So it's showing 47.3. Our previous reading was 42.6. 47.4. So 47.4 now. So we'll continue our 1 more ml. We'll continue with 1 more. So we have to, now what we have to do, we have to continue this experiment, and then let us take around 20 or 30 readings. It's a long experiment. Let's take 30 readings. So in this practical here in the video, we'll try to show only 10 readings, and then we'll plot. So this is our which reading? So now we are taking 7th reading. So we are at 1 more ml. So this is our beaker where we have dipped our electrode. So reading is 51 now.
So what is
So it is 51.5. So now what we'll do, we have to take around 20-30 readings and then plot the graph. So what we'll do, we'll do one exercise here, we'll double the ml. Fine. Let us add 2 ml here now. Because time इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा लग सकता है experiment में. And then we have to look at the memory of the video also. Okay, stop. You are adding 2 ml. Okay. So now we are adding 2 mLs. Okay. तो इस रीडिंग में हमने डबल कंसंट्रेशन ऐड कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So okay. So our reading is now. याद रहे यहाँ पे we are adding double 2 mLs now. Previous cases में we are adding only 1 ml. So we are getting 58.4. Let us wait few seconds. 58.4. Okay, right, 58.5. It's fine. You can keep it here 9. आप यहाँ देख सकती है जो हमने अभी तक जो डेटा कलेक्ट किया है, that is your specific conductivity. Earlier जब हमने ऐड किया था तो it was 13.28. उसके बाद सेकंड रीडिंग में 23, इसका मतलब है 10. फिर नेक्स्ट रीडिंग में 30. इसका मतलब है यहाँ पर इंक्रीज हो रहा है, लेकिन अब स्लाइट इंक्रीज हो रहा है. अब यहाँ देख सकती है 42 से 47 पे देयर इज ऑलमोस्ट 5 यूनिट इंक्रीज. 47 से 51 देयर इज 4 स्लाइट इंक्रीज. इसका मतलब जो ग्राफ ऊपर जा रहा था वो स्लाइट निकल जा रहा है फ्लैट. यहाँ पे 51 से 58 7 इंक्रीज हो रहा है, लेकिन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन हम डबल कर रहे हैं. ठीक. सो दैट मीन्स नाउ आवर कंडक्टिविटी इज स्लाइटली decreasing. So what we'll do, we'll add, let's add 3, go to 3. Let's add 3 ml. So हम ये इसलिए कर रहे हैं ताकि we'll reduce the time of the experiment. Okay, so we are already 3 mLs. इसको थोड़ा सा बस, okay, leave it. Because we should not do it that much also, so that the mice will get disturbed. You have to. Okay, so let us go to the conductometer. So it is showing 67. So it is 67. Graph is showing 67.1. 67.1. So what we have done, हमने यहाँ पे in this case it was 9. 9. So now we are added almost 12, isn't? So हमने 3 ऐड किए. That means so these readings हम यहाँ blank छोड़ रहे हैं because we are adding 12. So 12 addition के बाद, that means 3 times addition के बाद आपका increase is almost 9 units. लेकिन हम concentration 3 times कर रहे हैं. इसका मतलब है हमारी conductivity now slightly decrease हो रही है. So this way we have to continue adding and around 20-30 readings. Then we have to plot the graph. So how the graph will look like? So now we'll try to plot the graph. Just hand this. Just keep it video. I will plot a graph meanwhile. How the graph should come normally. We'll discuss this. So it is using answer, no? So you can video record करते हैं. No need. You can discuss these parameters. No issue. You can show the instrumentation meanwhile. I will calculate this. I will make a graph. So this is your surfactant concentration.
This is actually the device called the conductometer.
Conductivity.
used to measure the conductivity.
We discuss. You use the voice also maybe.
This is the key used for measuring the conductivity, that is enthalpy. Here are the plugs in order to insert or connect the conductivity cell.
So now, based on the data which we have prepared, so this is our data. So what I am trying to do, a rough calculated data I am showing here, what we have to do after that. So with the help of this table, let us focus on this table. This is how much volume we have added. This was 30 ml of the surfactant in our beaker. This is the concentration of the stock of the surfactant which we prepared. So this volume is basically V2. That is this 30 ml plus how much we are adding. This is the specific conductivity that we obtained from the conductometer. So we have to calculate the M2 with the help of M1, M2 dilution formula. So you can calculate the M2. तो हमें यहाँ M2 calculate करना पड़ेगा, and then we'll plot this concentration of surfactant inside the beaker versus the specific conductivity. तो जब हमने इसको plot किया, roughly I'm doing this, so we'll end up with this type of a curve, where on this side we'll keep the conductivity, that's microsiemens, and this side will keep the concentration. I'm just making it rough. तो आप यहाँ देख सकते हो, I'll go back to the page. आप देखिए initially आपने जब 1 ml ऐड किया था, it was 13 rise. फिर 10 ml, फिर आपका 10 यूनिट राइज, फिर 23 से 30. आप एक ml यहाँ पे इंक्रीज कर रहे हो, कंसंट्रेशन स्लोली यू आर इंक्रीजिंग. लेकिन आप देखो यहाँ पे 37 के बाद 42 यानी स्लाइट राइज, 42 के बाद 47 स्लाइट राइज, फिर यहाँ डबल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऐड करने के बाद यू आर गेटिंग 58, दैट इज स्लाइट राइज. फिर यहाँ 3 टाइम्स कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के बाद 67. इसका मतलब अब राइज तो हो रही है आपका कंडक्टिविटी, लेकिन दैट इज वेरी लेस. सो इफ यू प्लॉट दिस ग्राफ लुक्स लाइक सिमिलर टू दिस टाइप ऑफ ग्राफ. इनिशियली वी हैड द शार्प राइज, यू कैन सी द स्लोप इज देयर, large slope, and then आपका slight rise हो रहा है यहाँ पे. It can come also this way. If you plot this perfectly, it may come this way also, because we are showing it a bit rough here. So this point where these two lines are intersecting, so this you can connect, you can just match this point here. So this concentration on the x-axis, it's the concentration of the surfactant where the, from where the conductivity starts decreasing. यहाँ पे ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जो surfactant होता है हमारा, it's a polar molecule, it's a cationic surfactant. So it has a polar part. It is a polar part, and then it has this tail non-polar. So इस concentration पे what they are basically doing, we are getting this type of a structure. Fine. So we are getting this type of a structure. This is your micelle. जब इस टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर हमें बन गया, अब चूंकि नाउ इट्स अ बल्कियर मॉलिक्यूल, तो बल्कियर मॉलिक्यूल में कंडक्टिविटी ऑटोमेटिकली कम होगी, क्योंकि इट्स अ बल्कियर सिस्टम. जब कंडक्टिविटी कम होगी तो उसके बाद जितना हम सर्फेक्टेंट ऐड करेंगे, नाउ वी हैव द माइसेल स्टार्ट फॉर्मिंग. माइसेल्स वो इलेक्ट्रोड की तरफ जाना, द कंडक्टिविटी विल डिक्रीज. दैट इज वाई उसके बाद शार्प राइज नहीं होगा इसके कंपेयर में. So this point where after that the conductivity starts slightly decreasing, even though this is an increase because we are adding continuously surfactant. This point gives you the critical micellization concentration. यहाँ पे आपको ख्याल रखना है, ये जो मैंने स्केल बनाई है, this is rough. So what you have to do, you have to basically calculate from this graph this value of concentration, and then you will end up with your critical micellization concentration. So this was the best possible arrangement what we can do under these circumstances. It's a long practical, it can take 2 hours, 3 hours also. So this is how we used to calculate the CMC, critical critical मिसलाइजेशन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, यानी वो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन वाटर में या किसी भी सोल्यूशन में जहां पे या जिसके ऑनवर्ड्स द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट द सरफेक्टेंट विल बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ माइसेलस. सो दिस वाज आवर प्रैक्टिकल. इसमें और भी दी जो मैकेनिज्म है और जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट्स है दैट विल रिकॉर्ड ए सेपरेट लेक्चर फॉर दैट विल बी ए थ्योरी लेक्चर. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट आवर टुडेज लेक्चर, दैट्स कैलकुलेशन ऑफ critical miscellization concentration with the help of conductometry, using the conductivity data. So we are using the conductivity, the physical property, that is the conduction of the ions. So this is all for the day.